In this legal series, I would like to talk about Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2023. The act is very important. From the independence itself also, we had not such a type of the act. The act was introduced in the parliament as a bill by the government headed by Atal Bihari Vijay. That's the BJP government in 2000. The bill was passed as an act in 2003. Fiscal responsibility and budget management. To give the fiscal deficit, to give the discipline to the fiscal utility and fiscal deficit, and also financial management. That is very important. So every year, during the budget time, the act is shaped and disciplined with more provision. And every amendment in the Fiscal or Finance Act of the Government of India, more provisions are amended in this act. It gives a clear financial discipline and how to use the public funds. Because before this act, the Government of India had been using the public fund in different way according to their own intention and more things. Now, this act saves and gives a best fiscal framework how to use the finance, how to also use the public funds, and how the expenditure can be curtailed, how efficiently also the funds can be utilized. All things have been included in the acts, and whereby the government is also a very careful in acting also under the act. The act is very much necessary in the budget. Also, it controls the government to take money from the Reserve Bank of India. So, the fiscal is also the deficit, the financial deficit are regulated. Once it was not done, whimsically it was used, and whereby in the development it has also had been reduced. Now in the development, fixing the budget can be reached very earlier. Also the deficit can be managed in the next budget. So the act is controlling it is also the fiscal framework of Government of India. Also it gives in the guidance to the states. The states also have to act accordingly. It is also under the act within a fiscal framework to reach the target. So, whereby the benefits are public, the industrial improvement, financial improvement, institutional improvement, all can be gathered within a framework. So, the public easily can find out the fiscal deficit and money deficit and whatever may be, and how the government moves further, how the government fills the coffin. That is important. So the public can have the accessibility under the act. Is the best one that was implemented by the Atal Bihari Vijay ji during his regime. And he laid the road for the best improvement of the India, and whereby in the acts plays a very key role even now in India. Thank you.